This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ehrman. You don't want to miss this hidden gem on quiet, tree-lined street in Norfolk. This home offers newly sodded lawn, updated kitchen and baths, new wood floors and carpet. Be the first to enjoy these renovations. Kitchen boasts new granite countertops, cabinets, all new appliances. First floor living in this roomy ranch with primary bedroom and spacious bath ensuite. Open concept, large windows in every room to allow generous light. Third spacious bedroom could be den, office, workout room, or all three. All plumbing has been updated. Come create your private oasis on this beautiful tree lot with a privacy fence. Large shed conveys. Convenient to bases, university, shopping, and interstate. For more information, review the details below.